राम के प्यारे साथी तेज तुम्हारा जैसे अग्नि, गदा उठाए हाथ में डगमगाए हर एक विपत्ति। भक्तों के रखवाले द्वार तुम्हारा सबकी शरण, नाम लो दिल से बस कट जाए हर संकट हर भार। जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान।
performance inspired by a phenomenon that captured the hearts of millions, Kantara. Rooted in devotions and enriched with the cultural depth, this Adilkar History got second in EVS project competition, Amrish got first in EVS project competition, first in fancy dress competition. Dhanush Lingadari got silver in 100-meter running race, gold in obstacle race, third in EVS project competition, second in fancy dress competition. Krishna Kumar got second in EVS project competition, first in fancy dress competition. Mallikarjun Avadi got third in EVS project competition. Mansa Badiger got second in EVS project competition, third in fancy dress competition. Pranav Patil got gold in 100-meter running race, bronze in obstacle race, second in EVS project competition. I request every parent to send your child near the stage, please.
Democracies in the world. Mahatma Gandhi ji has said that what is really required for and confidence that learning here is a progressive, purposeful and empowering. Academic excellence has always been the hallmark of our Shamrock group of institutions. Under SGI, we have 4 wings, Shamrock coaching classes, which started with only 5 students in the year 2017, followed by Shamrock Abacus. Shamrock Toddlers, a preschool, has started in the year 2018 with 40 students, and Shamrock Public School started in the year 2020 with merely 10 students during the COVID time. Now at present, we have around 200 plus students at SGI Vijaypura Center. This is how the Shamrock Public School building will be in the upcoming years. So parents, please kindly have a look at the building. So at SGI, we are committed to provide a comprehensive education which seeks to develop the students into academically proficient, morally upright, socially well-being, integrated individuals and empathetic perspective necessary to succeed in the 21st century. Shamrock has been leading the way in the field of holistic student development. Let me first express my warmest congratulations to our young graduates who had successfully gone through an important phase on study that lays the foundation of lifelong learning. Thanks must go to the parents and the teachers for having their children the unfailed support and enable environment in which children's potential is nurtured and developed. The vision of our Shamrock group of institution Vijaypura. So these are our young graduates from class UKG. The vision of our Shamrock group of institution Vijaypura is to nurture the young minds with curiosity, creativity and confidence, empowering them to become compassionate and visionary leaders of tomorrow. Our mission is to provide a joyful and inclusive learning environment where children develop critical thinking, strong values and leadership skills through holistic education, innovative teaching and a culture of respect and collaboration. We inspire students to reach their full potential and make a positive impact on the world. Shamrock prepares each student to face the next stage of their life by building the strength and experiences at the school level, reflecting our vision and mission values. Let me now begin my annual report with the activities of this school. As this program integrates children of all the dimensions, the academic year 2025-26 started off with the reopening of school from class nursery to 5th on 5th of June 2025. The co-curricular activities simultaneously conducted along with various competitions which are necessary for the overall development of the students to make them eminent citizens of our country. The various activities which we have conducted this year at both Shamrock Toddlers and Shamrock Public Schools are as follows. So you can see on the first day we welcome kids. So we have done to get the blessings of Goddess Saraswati. We did puja of Goddess Saraswati. Then this is what the kids took pic from the selfie board. So these are pics at the Shamrock Toddlers. We celebrated World Environment Day on the 5th of June 2025. It is a day to spread awareness about protecting the environment. Colorful charts, greeting cards were done by all the students to express their gratitude towards their mom. Greeting card making competition was conducted at public school. Each and every child participated passionately in the competition and took great care to create their masterpieces neatly. Formative assessment 1 was conducted from 17th of July to 19th of July 2025 for all the students from nursery to 5th grade. We celebrated Friendship Day on 2nd of August 2025 to honor the importance of friends in our lives. Friendship band were tied among all the students and shared good qualities and habits in their friends. Drawing competition was conducted at Shamrock Public School. Drawing is all about creativity. It promotes the fine and the gross motor skills. First parent-teacher meeting was conducted on 4th of August 2025. As you all know that PTM are conducting in our school by giving individual timing slot, that is 10 minutes for each parent, which helps in discussing about the strength and weaknesses of your child effectively. We celebrated Independence Day on 15th of August 2025 by performing patriotic dance and various competitions such as fancy dress competition for nursery kids. Speech competitions were conducted for public school students. All the students participated actively in the competition. By planting the tree samplings in the campus as a mark of respect and responsibility towards the earth. Aksharabhyasa ceremony was conducted on 13th of June 2025. It marks the beginning of the child learning journey. The ceremony was conducted at Shamrock Toddlers for the nursery students. So along with nursery parents, we did this ceremony, and the puja of Goddess Saraswati and even Lord Ganesha was done to get the divine blessings which can assist the child in their academic journey. Father's Day. We celebrated Father's Day on the 16th of June 2025. Coloring activity was conducted for toddlers, and many students at the public school have shared their father's good deed and good habits, considering him as their role model. This shows the appreciation for the selfless love and support provided by the father. This was Father's Day at Father's. We celebrated International Yoga Day on 21st of June 2025. Students performed various yoga exercises which significantly benefits for their physical and mental well-being.
ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಶಾಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಾನುಭೂತಿ ಸಹಕಾರ. ಇದಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಪಾಲಕ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬಹಳ ಕೃತಜ್ಞರಾಗಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಬರೀ NLDಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೂ ಕಲಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಲಕ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಏನು
These were the joyful memories and with the foundation. Spandana from the UKG.
Thank you all the parents for such immense support. I should say I am really thrilled to see you all here. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all on the 8th annual day celebration of Shamrock Group of Institution Vijaypura. And I, Sarita Mantri, center head here to present the honorable guest of honor, Srimati.
Near the stage you have to come along with your parents. May I now request Swedish Varsity sir to distribute the certificates. Please, sir. Arya, Sudiksha and Rakshit from the nursery standard. Please come near the stage. Aditya Kamarya got first in fancy dress competition, gold in a first bowling race and second in a cooking competition. Ayush Khatki got second in a fancy dress competition, third in a cooking competition. VP Zainab got first in a fancy dress competition. Chandraman Uday
ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನನಗೇನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಬಾಳಿಲ್ಲ.
Spandana from the UKG. Kamar. I request Pirish Pashatni sir to distribute the trophies. Please sir. Near the stage you have to come along with your parents. Anvika Pandit parents, Mandinava Sinsar parents. The children always think about others and never hesitate to lend a helping hand. The most sharing and caring award goes to, please be ready, Chandrakant Udor, Dhruva Lingadali, Manvita Hogadi, Sudiksha. Thank you. Now Advik Badige, Shrikar Swami, Spandana Bandagar. May I now request Pirish Pashatni sir to distribute the certificates. Please sir. Arya, Sudiksha and Rakshit from the nursery standard. Please come near the stage. Aditya Kabadya got first in fancy dress competition, gold in a first bowling race and second in a cooking competition. Ayush Khadge got second in a fancy dress competition, third in a cooking competition. BB Zainab got first in a fancy dress competition. Chandrakant Udur got second in a fancy dress competition, third in a cooking competition, third in an annual rhyme competition in English, Kannada and Hindi. Dhruva Lingadali got second in a fancy dress competition. Next, Chandrakant Udur, Dhruva Lingadali, Manvita Hogadi, Sudiksha Ganjhad. Please be ready. Chandrakant Udur, Dhruva Lingadali, Manvita Hogadi, Sudiksha Ganjhad. Please be ready to come on the stage. Thank you, kids. Now I would like to call Shari. Respectful, responsible, and resourceful. We can succeed, we make mistakes. So we can learn, we learn, so we can succeed. Succeed, so we can help us. Tradition. We bring to your performance inspired by a phenomenon that captured the hearts of millions, Kantara. Rooted in devotions and enriched with the culture depth. This
Chandan, come fast everybody. Ranjit, Samar.
Like to call Mansa, Great College of Women, Yadgiri. Thank you.